This tutorial unlocks advanced techniques for a standout soda slider. Master captivating animations with keyframes. Refine fonts, headers, and logos for a polished look. Conquer responsive design challenges seamlessly. Empower your web page for dynamic engagement. Transform soda slider with groundbreaking techniques. These create a visually stunning web experience. Stand out in the competitive world of web design. Conclusion: elevate your skills in just one tutorial. Start by creating a basic HTML structure. In the head section, write title of your choice, soda slider, and create a link to your CSS style sheet with rel style sheet and refstyle.css. And now, let's move on to the body section. Create a header. Create a div with class logo. And inside it, create a EMG with src images logo.png and create an AV. Create a home. Similarly, info, contact. Next, create a div with class carousel. Create a div with class list. Create a div with class item active and style. BG color. Title lemon. Create a div with class content. Create a div with class image. And create a div with class info. Create a div lemon flavored soda. Likewise, fruit soda. Lorem ipsum. As well as create a with ref. Create a span. Then, create a div with class item and style. imjcrc. URL images item 2.png. BG color. Title oranges. Create a div with class content. Create a div with class image. And create a div with class info. Create a div orange flavored soda. And just like this, fruit soda. lorem ipsum. As well as create AA with her FAA. Create a span right arrow. Besides, create a div with class item and style. Item 3.png. PG color. Title: Apple. Create a div with class content. Create a div with class image. And create a div with class info. Create a div apple flavored soda. Initialize the variables. List select all elements with class carousel list item. Carousel select the element with class carousel. Dot select all the elements within dots. Next btn select the element with the ID next. Prev btn select the element with the ID prev. Now, set up initial variables. Last position, calculate the length of the list and subtract 1. Active set to 0. Z index set to 2. Define the next btn click event. Calculate the new value based on whether it exceeds last position. Call the function set item active new value show slider. Define the prev btn click event. Calculate the new value based on whether it is less than 0. Call the function set item active new value show slider. Iterate through each dot and add a click event. Call the function set item active index show slider active. Define the function set item active new value. Callback function check if new value is equal to active and return if true. Determine the type next or prev based on the relationship between new value and active. Update active to new value. Call the callback function with the type. Initialize a variable's remove effect. Declare a variable for clear time. Outrun set a timeout to simulate an automatic click on next btn after 5000 milliseconds. Define the function show slider type. Disable pointer events on the carousel. Find and remove the active class from the previous active item. Increment index. Add active class to the current active item. Apply a translation effect based on the type next or preview. Add the effect class to the carousel. Update the active dot. Clear the remove effect timeout and set a new one to remove the effect after 1500 milliseconds. Enable pointer events on the carousel. Clear the autorun timeout and set a new one to simulate an automatic click on next BTN after 5000 milliseconds. Import the Poppins font copy specified URL provided in the description. Set the background color, margin, font family, and font size for the body. Style the header, logo, and navigation elements. Style the carousel and its list items. Style the carousel item content, including image and additional effect. Style the content inside the carousel item. Style specific elements within the carousel item. Define styles for the active carousel item. Style arrows for carousel navigation. Style the pagination dots for carousel navigation. Add responsive styles for screens with a width of 767 pixels or less. Define keyframes for a transformation animation. Apply animation effects to carousel items using keyframes. Define additional keyframes and effects for the carousel. Define a specific effect for the carousel.